Okay, this is a test exporting an OVA from a thick disk. I have a Linux box that's got a thick disk provisioned at 100 gig, and it's got a couple snapshots, or maybe 3 snapshots, so the total provision storage is higher. And doing it manually, snapshots present a huge problem, but with the OVA, it's magic. So save it in my download folder. I choose OVA because it's just a single file and not a directory of files. So just to be clear, so it's got a 100 gig disk, and when you check the VMDK status, you can't do a DU and see how much, like a thin disk. It'll show that it's provisioned up to 100 gig, but it's only using 1.6 gig. There's no way to tell that with a thick disk. So let it rip. Yes. Now I'm just going to let this run. I think it took about an hour last time, maybe. But it does have to look at the entire 100 gig of the thick disk to be able to only get the data that's on disk. But when I ran this before, I ended up with a 1.6 gig backup of this VM that currently has a 106 gig disk. So and then I'll speed this up. I'll go back and speed this part up and post that to YouTube and send you a message. Okay, so this finished here. Let's go back and see how big the disk ended up being. Yeah, so is that right? 1.7. Yeah, that's right. It's 1.7. So from 100 gig down to 1.7 gig. That is fully importable back into shared storage or the Amazon or any open. It's an open virtualization format. So that's great.